Yeah, hello, good evening, students. Now let us see how to prove A is subset of B. This is true if and only if B complement is subset of A complement, right? So for proving this sake, actually what we need to do, we need to consider the first equation, this one, and we need to prove this. So actually we can do this in two steps or two parts. What is the first step? First step we need to take, given condition is what? A is subset of B. Agree? So what we need to prove? So we need to prove that A B complement is subset of A complement, right? So now let us see how to prove the first step. For proving this one, first of all, what we will do? Let us consider one element x belongs to B complement. We can say that if x belongs to B complement means what is the meaning here? X must be does not belongs to B set. Agree? So we can say that here what is the given condition? A is subset of B. Agree. So if you take one element which is not in B, obviously that element which is not in A, we can say this, right? Why? Because A is subset of B. I'll be using this property here. So from this I can say that X does not belongs to the set A. Agree. So if X does not belong to set A means what is the meaning here? X must belongs to its B complement. Agree. So from this what I can say, from this statement, I can say that B complement is subset of A complement, right? So when this is possible if and only if A is subset of B. So first side proof is done, right? Now let us see how to prove the second bit. Second step. Actually, what is the second step here? We need to take a given that B complement is subset of A complement. This is what we need to assume. Then what we need to prove? So we need to prove that a is subset of B. Agree? So now let us see how to prove this. For proving this sake, what we will do? Now let us consider the one element in set A. So if one element in set A means from this what I can say, obviously that element does not belongs to its complement. Agree? And we have that B complement is subset of A complement. If you take one element which is not in A complement means obviously the same element does not belongs to B complement. Why? Because A complement is the bigger set. Agree? So I can conclude that that element does not belongs to its B complement, right? From this, what I can say? I can say that if X is does not belongs to B complement means obviously that element should be in the B set. Agree? So from this, what I can say with the help of this statement, some element X is in A and the same element X is in B, we can say that A is subset of B. Agree? So from this, what I can say? I can say that a is subset of B if and only if B complement is subset of A complement. This is what I need to prove. So finally what I can say? I can say that if I want to tell A is subset of B, obviously B complement should be subset of A complement. This is a if and only if statement. If you want to prove this kind of a statements, you need to do in the two parts. Assuming that first one is true, try to prove the second one, and assuming that second one is true, try to prove the first one. Okay, thank you.